Alright, well, we've got some friends coming over today. Good friends of ours are going to buy one of the American Guinea hogs. So it's time to get some ear tags put in. So I'm not, I've never done ear tags before in any of our animals. I bought an ear tagger last year in preparation for doing our goats. We never did. We just sold them. We never registered them. We ended up not doing a registered line and all that good stuff. Now the deal is when you have registered animals, so whether they're goats, pigs, cattle, horse, whatever, you have to, they have to have an ear tag or some type of a permanent mark, tattoo or otherwise, that will identify them as the one that is put on the paper for registration purposes. So our American Guinea hogs are registered. What that just means is that they come from a proven, pure line, purebred and all that good stuff. You can go on the American Guinea hog site and track back all their lineage and all that good stuff to just prove where they came from. So that tells people that they're getting a good animal, an animal that was bred through good lines. They can check and see if there was any line breeding or inbreeding of any sort and all that kind of good stuff. We want to keep our lines pure here with our American Guinea hogs, and they're worth more that way to sell, of course. So it makes a lot of sense to keep up with that. So today I have to tag a few of the piglets. I'm going to tag on the males today. There are 5 males and 3 females. This is also the first day that I'll be separating them from the mother, so they will be weaned at the same time. Now they have been eating grass and drinking water and eating pig feed for weeks now. They're fine. They're ready to be separated. So we'll see how separating pigs goes and holding them down and tagging their ears. Pigs are loud, so let's see what we can do here. All right, where did I put the tagger here? I think here it is. Still in the Amazon box. Instructions. Good. Tags. Well, step 1 is going to be to separate them. Mama gets very upset whenever the piglets make noise, so well, get your last drink, piggies. It's time to move on in life. Maybe what I'll do is try to lock all 5 of the males, the babies, in here, and then let Martha, the mother, and 3 females have the run of the yard, and then have that stall over there. There's the door over there. That stall on the other side for shelter. So it's simple. All I need to do is separate the mother and 3 females out and keep 5 babies in. Got all their attention. Alright, we almost got it all. Alright, well, I got 3 males out of the 5. I got 2 females, so now it's time to figure out how to make some trades. I also think it might be a good idea if I put some kind of piece of wood up there so they can't see each other. That's going to be a problem. Alright, well that seems to be a little bit better. The problem is that when I pick up the pigs near Martha, Mom, she comes after me. She's very protective of the baby, so when she hears him scream, she'll charge me. She's never bit me or anything like that, but I don't want to get bit by her, so we'll try to separate these guys very carefully. Alright, now to just get the other two males away from Martha somehow. Maybe some more food. Got one. It actually worked. Hey, hey. Alright, I'm running out of time here. I've got a couple alcohol pads from a first aid kit I'm going to use just to wipe the ears down before I put it in. I have the tags here. I'm not going to be picky about what number I get. Doesn't really matter. So the basics of this machine are the back goes here. And the tag gets limited here. So this goes on the outside of the ear, this goes on the inside, and compress it, pokes a hole through, pierces their ear, done. Let's see how well that will work in real life. Alright, so for some reason the first one did not work properly, and I don't know if I didn't have it lined up or what, but that's pretty awful. So I'm going to try again. Hopefully I can find it. I don't know if I'll try a different pig, or if I get the same one, we'll try the same hole, but that's a bummer. Alright, so I got a good friend of mine here with me, and what we figured out was the problem I was having was this device, this tool here, actually has two different tips that it came with, and the type of tags that I'm using required the smaller tip. So once we got that smaller tip on there, it's real easy, and it's working a lot better. So we've already got 4 of them tagged. We'll grab the last one here, and we'll get that one tagged here. It should be a little easier than the first time. So what's the criteria for the selection? Just whichever one looks the coolest? The smallest? Alright.
Wait, no, we're gonna...
So 60? Is this 60 over here?
No, that's 80. I think
oh, that's 80? You like 91?
I think 91's
Yeah?
over here.
Okay. Nova likes 91.
Okay, guys, I think 91 is it.
It's over here?
Come on.
Wait, until it like stays in the spot. Right here. Get mine. Wait, where is it?
Oh boy, I tell you, once you get this tool figured out, man, does it work really well. So The part that I had wrong, the default pin that came on this tool was too large, and so it wasn't fitting all the way into the actual ear tag. And this is the part that goes through the pig's ear. So now with the correct pin on there, this thing fits all the way down on there nice and loose. And then your tag fits right in here nicely, and that just works perfectly. I mean, it's real easy, goes through real nice, and the pigs actually, they scream when you pick them up, but they don't even care when this thing goes through their ear. It doesn't seem to hurt them at all. So I'm sure it's like a pinch or like an ear piercing, but they don't really seem to care. Even the one that I did wrong, I poked the hole through and the tag didn't stick. That's what was happening. He didn't really seem to, it didn't really bleed much or anything either, just a little drop of blood. So anyway, it doesn't seem to hurt, and it's actually really easy to do, and it's a super easy job when you have two people. So what a nice thing. My friend came out, and he was the one buying the pig, and actually he helped me out quite a bit. So I will put a link in the description to this tool, and also these size ear tags that I'm using. So if you get these together, you'll know, switch the pin out. It comes with the replacement, comes with the other option, and you'll have all the right equipment to do the job. I don't think these pigs are going to trust me for quite a while. It's going to take some time to earn their trust back, but at least I got these guys all tagged. I still have the females to tag. I know at least one of them, the runt, we're probably not going to sell, so I probably won't tag her, but I'll tag the other two at another time. We're just starting to put these on the market for sale, and so this is my first time going through this whole process. We're going to see how this all goes. But good learning experience for me to get those ear tags in. I feel a lot more comfortable with it now. And hopefully you guys watching, you can see exactly how to do it as well. I didn't find a lot of great videos on the actual details of ear tagging, so hopefully this helps somebody out anyway. That's why we film these things. But we just love these pigs, these American Guinea hogs. What a great breed. And although they aren't going to come near me for a while, they're a lot of fun. And they're usually very friendly and docile. The mother, I come in here with her and just sit and scratch her sometimes and scratch her back and stuff. She loves it. So great little pigs, and we're happy to have them. But we'll keep you guys updated as always with our little pig operation here. We plan on expanding and breeding more of this breed of pig. And so lots more of this to come. So lots more ear tagging to do in the future, and glad I got a handle on it. So as always, guys, thumbs up on the video. Reach down and hit thumbs up if you found this at least entertaining. Squealing pigs running around. I mean, who doesn't love to hear that, right? And subscribe if you want to follow along. We are a new farm here in Michigan, and we're starting from scratch, trying a sustainable kind of natural approach to farming here. And so if you'd like to tag along and see how that ends up, love to have you guys subscribe to the channel. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.